How are
Hi,
you?
how are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
That's good. So tell me, what is your name?
My name is Mohammed and I'm from India in New Delhi.
Oh, okay, it's nice to meet you, Mohammed.
Thank
My
you.
name is Charlene and I'm from South Africa.
Okay. So you're
Hi.
originally South Africa or from other countries?
That's correct. So I was born and raised in South Africa.
Okay.
Okay, so tell me, Mohammed, how can I help you today?
You can help me with my pronunciation, my accents. How do I speak? Uh,
Okay,
yes.
sounds good. Yes. So can you tell me about yourself?
Yeah. I have done masters in computer science. It's been 10 years working for the US and Canadian customers for the digital marketing service. I have my own personal digital marketing agencies. I've been working. It's been 10 years and I'm married. I have two kids and I want to improve my English as much as possible. And English is my
Okay,
passion. And I focus on pronunciation and accents, especially.
sounds good.
Yes, this is all about me.
Okay, now that's really nice. So tell me about your job, something about digital marketing?
Digital marketing, especially, we focus on website development part and SEO services, which helps any company to grow on Google search engine.
Mhm.
Especially, we have to follow the algorithm of the Google and Bing search
Of
engine,
course.
and we have to keep on working on the websites, and we have to post those websites linked on several other websites as a referral,
Hmm.
and it increases the traffic on those websites, and it increases also the revenue for those websites and for the company.
Yes,
So this is
I
all
can
we do.
think.
Yes.
Okay, well, that's really good. That's good, Muhammad. So, how long have you been working in this industry?
I told you it's been 10 years, and 5 years I
10
have worked.
years.
Yes, 5 years I had done a job, and 5 years I established my own company in US and New Delhi, and I have so many customers across US states and Canada.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Okay, so why did you decide to go into this field?
I never planned for this. And
Yes, you
sometimes
never
we say,
planned it?
yeah, we never planned. I never planned for this. That I should be in this industry. But yes, since the course which I did in my college, and that is same related to this, and this is
Yeah,
also relates to my English improvement, and which was my passion.
definitely.
Yeah, this was my passion
That's
to
really
talk with the
good.
foreigners. So that's why I just involved myself in this industry, and since then I've been growing, because when it is said, when there's a passion, when you follow your passion, you'll be successful.
Yeah,
So that's
that's
what
so true. When you follow your passion, you're going to be successful. That's
yes.
so true. Oh, but that's really good, Muhammad. So tell me, how is the pandemic these days in India, COVID 19?
Basically, we were locked for the 2 years continuously in India, and
Yeah?
many things were hit. We lost jobs. Most of the people lost their jobs. Most of the people lost their health. Most of the people
Oh,
died,
unfortunately.
and still people are suffering from those loss and pain and sorrow. And but
Yes.
now everything is diminished. Like people are taking COVID-19 as a lightly, and
Hmm.
nobody talks about COVID-19 situation these days. So everything is going smooth now. Everything is coming on the track. But the people
That's
who
really
lost their
good.
jobs, people who lost the lives of their relatives or the closest friends, they're still in deep in sorrow.
Yes, I think it's the same in South Africa. So in the past, before we had the vaccine, a lot of people died because of COVID 19.
Yep.
But luckily now with the vaccine, it feels like people still get COVID, but they recover very fast.
Hmm. Okay.
But yeah, I think it's different now because we don't wear masks anymore. We can travel
Yes.
again. So we're basically back to normal,
Yep.
which is very nice.
So are
That's
you a
good,
teacher?
Mohammed. So I'm not a professional teacher,
Uh-huh.
but I'm an online teacher, yes,
Okay.
for English.
So how long you have been
But
doing this?
so I've been doing this for the last year and a half.
Okay.
Before this, I was an HR manager for a
Uh-huh.
local company in South Africa.
Okay.
So only for 2 years. But yeah, due to the pandemic, unfortunately, I had to quit my job because I'm not vaccinated.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, I think working from home is very nice, very
Yes.
convenient. But it's good, Mohammed. So, which countries have you traveled to?
No, any other countries I have traveled so
Okay,
far.
you've never visited. Okay. Yeah, the same with me. I've only been to African countries,
Hmm.
not to any other continent, I can
Yes.
say. But it's good. So tell me, Mohammed, what is your plan for today? Yeah, are you working today?
Yes, I work every day and I have something to do related to my office. So,
Oh, okay.
so I just
Well,
do.
that's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So how
No,
many hours do you work every day? Oh, sorry.
so I don't count how many hours I work, but I make myself busy for solving the problems. Every day we have some issues. Issues could be like your job's issues, your personal issues, your family issues. So every day it takes me time to solve the problems. Reading emails, replying emails, talking to the customers, accepting payments. If payment gets declined, I have to call my own bank. So this is all kind of a headache. Every day I have to go through all this.
Yes, I
you know
can
so
think.
basically
Yeah.
I don't count how many hours I work, but I see the problems. What are the problems for today? I
Hmm.
just make myself busy to solve those problems, and it helps me
That's
to grow
really
as well.
good.
Yes.
I think so. And you also get experience with those problems.
Yes. Yeah.
That's really good, Mohammed. And how old are your kids?
My daughter is 6 years old and my son is 9 months old.
9 months. Oh, still a
Yes.
baby.
Yes.
Oh, so sweet. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good, Mohammed. So for me, I'm not married, no kids,
Uh-huh.
but definitely in the future.
Yeah.
And your wife, does she also work?
No, she's a housewife. She takes care
Oh, a
of family
housewife.
and all the household things.
That's good. Okay, but it's good, Mohammed. So, how long have you been learning English?
See, English is my second language, and before 10 years, I knew nothing about English or speaking and practicing. But as I
Okay.
said, that was the passion. It was growing in me, and
Yes.
I saw so many people who were talking English. They were given a respect. They were given honor in the society. They were considered
Hmm.
as a knowledgeable. Somewhere it attracted me that I should have a same tendencies, same habits, and same kind of environment all around me.
That's really good.
Second, English was very tough for me at the time of beginning
Yeah.
when I was on the stage of learning. But when I just make myself busy in this, everything becomes a kind of a normal and easy. But yes, I suffered so many sufferings, so many obstacles, boundaries on the journey of learning English and making my pronunciation better. As I said, that this was all a kind of a struggle for me, that it was my
Okay.
weakness. I converted my weakness, I transformed my weakness into the strength. So here you can listen to me, how do I speak. So you can judge me
Yes.
that
No,
10
it's
years
good. I
10
mean,
years ago I knew nothing about it. I'm just improving every day. I'm just
yes.
working on it.
Okay, but
Yes.
it's really good. Oh, that's good. So I would say your English level is actually perfect.
Uh-huh.
All that I would love to improve is maybe your pronunciation of some words
Yes.
and then also grammar. But overall, I'm very proud. You're very good. Your English is so amazing.
Yes. Thank you.
That's good, Mohammed. All right. So I see we have about a minute left.
Yep.
So what are your plans for this weekend?
I basically don't plan for anything. Whatever comes, I
Okay.
face those things. If
That's good.
yes, because when we plan for something, it doesn't work according to our plans or according to our
That's
moods,
usually the
according to the,
problem.
yes, we have to go through according to the situation, according to the problems, according to the challenges. So once you
Hmm.
go through all this, you will become successful in all kind of stream, whatever the days or
Oh, that's
whatever.
amazing.
Yes.
That's so true. Yeah, so I'm the same. I never plan my future.
Yeah.
I go with the flow.
Yes. That's same
Oh, but
here.
it's good.
Yes. When I see something is coming next to me, I try to
Yes.
solve that problems. Yes.
That's really good. I'm the same. Yeah, so take it step by step, day by
Yes.
day.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good, Mohammed. All
If I
right, so
feel I have to watch movies, I just go on
yes,
watching movies. If I
of
feel
course, that's so
watching web
true.
series, you know what? If I think I should go outside with families, I just go outside. I never plan for
That's
anything.
so
Yes.
good. Nothing. Yeah, I'm the same. All right, Mohammed. I see our time is over, but it was nice to meet you
All right. Thank you
today.
so much for talking to me, and I wish you
It's my
best of luck
pleasure.
for your marriage and for the future.
Oh,
Uh,
thank you, Mohammed. You
yes.
too. I will see you next time.
I wish you to find
Uh,
any great partner in your life. So
oh, thank you. Thank you, Mohammed.
thank you so much.
All right.
Bye.
You too.